We are going to demonstrate the application of the F8X ankle brace. The Bird & Cronin F8X ankle brace is designed to treat and help prevent most ankle sprains. The F8X fits either the left or right ankle and is designed to be worn over an athletic sock. Step number 1 is to choose the correct size ankle brace. Use a cloth tape measure to measure the circumference from heel to ankle. Open the brace and slide the foot in, making sure to seat the heel in the rear opening of the brace. Start lacing at the toe and work your way up. When the brace is completely laced, the width between the eyelets should be approximately 1 to 1.5 inches. Next, bring the inside or medial stabilizing strap across the top of the foot and under the heel. Attach the loop end of the strap to the hook side of the brace on the medial side. Bring the outside or lateral stabilizer strap across the top of the foot and under the heel. Attach the loop end of the strap to the hook side of the brace and the lateral side. With your foot flat, release the outside stabilizing strap, evert your ankle joint as much as possible, and reattach the strap. This will help prevent a future inversion sprain. Finally, when the brace feels comfortable and secure, wrap the elastic top strap over the laces and straps. Readjust if necessary. The F8X is also available with removable medial and lateral stays for added support. This concludes the application of the Bird & Cronin F8X ankle brace.